What was that?
I don't know, but it sounded like it was in pain.
We have to go and see what it is.
Oh no, it's a cicada and it looks like it's hurt.
We have to help it.
In a soft, raspy voice, "Thank you. Thank you for helping me. I don't know what happened. I was just flying around and then I fell and couldn't get up."
You're welcome. We're happy to help.
"I've never met cockroaches before. You're all very kind."
We're just trying to help. That's what good neighbors do.
"Thank you all for your help. Farewell, my friends."